What's the meaning of customized? Customized. Customized.
Customized. Customized. Customized means something that has been tailored or modified to meet specific needs or preferences. It refers to the process of designing or adapting a product or service to fit the unique requirements of an individual or group. This can include personalizing features, colors, sizes, or configurations to suit the customer's wants or needs. The result of a customized product or service is a solution that is more closely aligned with the customer's expectations and better suited to their specific situation. This can lead to higher satisfaction levels, greater loyalty, and increased repeat business.